Welcome to another video from Garden Cam Man. Now in this video you'll see here that there's a couple of stones on the lawn. They are where I'm going to dig 2 holes where I can transplant 2 fruit trees into that area. So pretty simple job, yet very difficult at the same time because it's quite rocky under there. But yeah, you can see I start off with a crowbar just to break the surface and get the grass out off the top, and then after that I'll get a shovel and I'll start to dig down and break that clean in half because it hit a rock, and then I'll use half a shovel to try and dig the other hole. But that's generally what happens. Every time I get a shovel in my hand it seems to break, and it doesn't matter if it's made of wood or steel or fiberglass, doesn't matter, I'm going to snap it. So yeah, what I need really is for someone to invent a crowbar with a shovel on the end, and then I wouldn't break it. But anyway, this video shows me transplanting the 2 trees out of the big plastic tubs and putting them into this, which was a lawn, and then breaking the dirt over. So it's one of them tasks that you get every now and again as a gardener, and it's to be expected. So I thought, you know what, I'll film it and show people what it's like. So anyway, hope you like the video, and any questions, leave them in the comments. Oh, no, not another one. Oh, so many broken shovels. Must be about 50. Oh well, I'll take a look at this now. 2 trees have got to go. They're big enough. I think they'll go in there. If not, I'll have to dig them a bit bigger. Oh, that's it, right. Got my hand here. Oh, that was good. Come on. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that'll work. That's good. That's good. That's a good one in. Stuck in the bottom of it. There's a little ants in there. Oh yeah, but that's just because they find home easily, don't they? Oh, beautiful. Couldn't have made it any better for us. Oh, see you later. I'll push this back in. And that's pretty much. I'll have to clean up all that soil, extra soil. That looks good. Grass back in there. Steer green, huh? Stand right there. Yep. Just wait till I push her in because I don't want to tread on them again.
No.
I don't want to get dirty. That look good?
Yeah. Straight through. You won't fall something there. That's good. Cut that off. It's moving already. What's a bit smaller? He's a bit smaller. take the shortcut because it was hard to dig. It's only a little bit smaller.
That's the easiest way. Make that fit the hole.
Yeah. Is that a good way, is it, or should I say round a bit? Probably could go that way.
Yeah, whatever.
It'd be better that way, so the branches just go that way. Again.
Right.
Just try coming her up a bit. Yep.
Very good.
Had a good day. So I'll get to it.